Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check your Windows edition and that you have an administrator account. Once done, open Settings and verify optional features because some control panel modules become hidden when not installed. Next, press Win+R and type Control to launch it directly. This bypasses Start menu shortcuts. If Control Panel opens, make sure to pin it for quick access. These actions prove whether the issue is a missing shortcut or a system-level service problem. Now you run integrity checks to fix corrupted system files. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. This repairs missing or damaged system files. If SFC reports issues it can't fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch good components from Windows Update. After repairs, restart Explorer. EXE to reload shell components and test Control Panel again. These commands target underlying file corruption that often prevent system tools from appearing or functioning correctly. Finish by isolating user profile problems and configuration blocks. Create a new administrator account and log in. If Control Panel appears there, your original profile is corrupted. Next, review group policy or settings changes that could hide Control Panel items and undo them. If configuration or corruption persists, perform a system restore to a known good point or run an in-place upgrade repair. This preserves files while refreshing system components. If these fail, one key troubleshooting tip: backup data and consider a clean install as last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.